welcome back to my channel. So this is Diva Secret Organic, and I believe most of you already know me. Yeah, to my new subscribers, my name is Ada, and my YouTube channel and my skincare line is Diva Secret Organic. So in here we do all organic. Yes, we do all organic, and we take care of our skin. We do some remedies to fight our skin at home. Yes, and in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make hand sanitizer. Yes, hand sanitizer is the main thing at this very moment, and it is very cost, and you can hardly see it in the shop, in the supermarket. So you can make yours at home and also sell it around your neighborhood. Since you cannot go out, yeah, it's locked down. Since you cannot go out, you can make it at home and you can sell it. It is very easy to make. Just 2 or 3 ingredients, you already have your and sanitizer. So guys, there's something I want to talk about. Yes, and I want to say it in pidgin English, make all of us understand that. Okay, I think I still have some subscribers that are not from Nigeria. I beg, wetin dey happen? You guys should go and support me in my new YouTube channel. I beg, go and support me there. If you love me, I believe I'm doing my best. You drop your comment and I reply. You ask me questions and I reply. You ask me to make a video for you and I also deliver. Please, the least you can do for me is to support my channel. I just opened another YouTube channel and I think it's up to 2 months, or it should be 3 months now, and I don't have subscribers there. What is happening? Guys, go and support me. Let's build a community. Yes, there I will be doing vlog, and I will be doing talking about business, how to open your own business, how to start your own business, and how to start, if you want to be a skincare formulator, how you can start your own skincare formulator, online business, so many things. And I also do some DIYs there that I do not bring into this YouTube channel. Yes, even if you don't love me, you don't want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe because of the things that you're going to gain in that channel. I'm going to give you tips on how to make money. You can stay in your house and you will be making money. Oh, the only thing you need is just your phone, and if you have your Wi-Fi, you use it to make money. So I'm going to be giving you tips on that YouTube channel. So go and subscribe there and support me. We can do this. Yes, we can do this, guys. Please do it for me. I'm always delivering. I'm always giving you guys what you want. So the least you can do for me is just subscribe. So the link is below the description box of this video, and yeah, also is on the screen of this video. Is Divas everything Divas vlog. Yeah, there is everything Divas vlog. I do makeup. You can learn makeup from me. When it comes to makeup, I'm a pro. So you can learn makeup from me. You can learn how to style your hair from me. So many things. I'm into so many things. God bless me. I'm into so many things. So you can learn from me, please. I beg. I don't know other people. Now only one I know. You guys should go and subscribe on that YouTube channel also. So guys, it's time for us to go and make our DIYs, and in my next video I'm going to make a review on how to clear out your acne scars. Yes, I have been battling with scars because I have acne. But I cleared it all. So now I'm going to take care of the scars. Yeah, I'm going to take care of the scars. You can see my face is so oily. If you have oil skin, you always have acne. You can treat your acne today, and next week they will still come back, you know. That is my status. Is it my status, or that is my life? I always battle with acne. So guys, let's go and do this art, and please make sure to thumbs up for me. Share this video to your Facebook friends, your WhatsApp friends. Let's grow this channel, and also let's grow the other channels. So catch ya. Hey guys, this is all you need. This is all you need to make your hand sanitizer. Yes, so I have my alcohol. This is isopropylene alcohol, and this is 99.9%. so let me bring it closer. 99.9%. so this is very effective. Yeah, this is not 70%, this is not 50%, and this is not even what is it called, 90%. This is 99.5.9%. So, and here we have our propylene glycol, and this is a softener. Yes, and our propylene glycol is also 99.9%. It's a softener. It's going to soften your hands. Yes, it's going to soften your hands. And here we also have our glycerin, and this is 99.5%. Yes, guys, so the glycerin is going to moisturize your hand at the same time. Yes, because the propylene glycol, the alcohol can be too drying to the skin, so you don't want to have a drying hand after you must have finished moisturizing your hands. So, and also we have what is it called? We have aloe vera gel. Yes, this is a botanical extract, and this is going to soften your hands. It's going to give you this smooth feeling on your hands. Sorry guys, it's going to give you this smooth feelings on your hands. So and I have all my measurements laid out here. Sorry guys, my aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera gel, and here I have my alcohol. Yes, I have my alcohol here, and I'm going to whisk this with my whisker just to dissolve everything together. So I'm going to be whisking this, and I'm going to be adding more to it. So this is quite much. So because this is quite much, so I'm going to transfer my hand sanitizer into my big bowl. So okay, this way I can be able to mix well. And now I'm going to add in my propylene glycol. This is my propylene glycol. And whisk very well. So I'm going to add in my, and you add your mixture to your products and mix together. So I'm also going to add my lemon essential oil. Yes, because I want my hand sanitizer to have this this is lemongrass essential oil, guys. I want my hand sanitizer gel to have this nice smell. Yes, I just prefer, it's optional. If you don't have it, no problem, you can still make your own hand sanitizer this way. So but I just want my hand to smell nice after I must have finished sanitizing my hand, and I just put just 2 drops in here, and I go ahead to use my mini hand mixer to mix everything really well. So I mix it like this. So I'm done mixing everything. I'm going to transfer this into my bowl. So I'm using 2 little bowls because one is for my man and one is for me. So whenever he's going to work, you just take one along with him. If he's going to school, you take one along with him. And likewise me, if I'm going out, I take one along with me. If I finish doing my shopping from any supermarket, I just take my hand sanitizer and I sanitize my hand immediately before coming to my house. So I'm going to pour this in here. And so guys, here I have my hand sanitizer. So you can see this is very easy to make, and you can make this, buckle it just little like this, and you can sell it out to your neighbors. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to support my other new YouTube channel, and turns up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to get it. So guys, thanks and bye.